Partial match if statement pandas. I am trying to find a partial string match in a certain column of my data frame, title. Ideally, I would like pandas to create a true-false column if the partial string match is true and false if the string match is false. I would like to use a def function in order to do this to create an if-else statement as my dataset is quite large. If the column title has the word dog in it, then put a true in that row in my new column match.
Using str.contains.
Just use pandas.series.str.contains. If you want the check to be case insensitive, you can use a read.ignore case flag. Since this is using re.search, you can check for multiple strings with a regular regex way, something like
Your search not positive and dry.